if you enjoy burritos and enchiladas, here's a hybrid of the two your whole family will love. Start by browning some ground meat. In this case, I use some ground veal. I love how it picks up the flavors of everything I add to it. Add in some chopped onion and a little bit of garlic. Mix that through and lightly brown the meat. Once the meat drops liquid and fat, go ahead and pour that off. Now add in a can of green chilies, some fresh jalapeno. If you like spicy, leave the seeds and the stems in. Mix that up. Add in some taco seasoning, homemade or store-bought. And then add in a little bit of water. Bring that to a simmer. Once the liquid is mostly gone, go ahead and add in some beans. I like to use black beans for this. Mix that through. See that? It's pretty dry, so it's ready to go. Add in just a little bit of enchilada sauce, homemade or store-bought. Mix that through. Now grab your tortillas and start filling. So place your filling onto the tortillas. We like to use floured tortillas for this, but you can use corn or flour. And then go ahead and roll them up and put them seam side down in your casserole dish. I like to add just a little bit of enchilada sauce to the bottom of the dish. Add some enchilada sauce on top, pop that in the oven, heat everything through. Pull it back out and add in as much or as little cheese as you like. I like to use pepper jack cheese for this, but you could use Monterey Jack or whatever cheese you enjoy. Once that's melted, pull that out and load it up with some shredded lettuce. Top that with some pico, chopped tomatoes, salsa, whatever you happen to have. You can add cilantro, scallions, more onion, sour cream, you do you. And now you are ready to dig in. This can be made start to finish in about 30-35 minutes. I hope you love it as much as we do. Click the link in my bio for the full recipe. Enjoy!